Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10th chapter 2 polynomials exercise 2.3 question 4 on dividing x raised to 3 minus 3x raised to 2 plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x. The quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. So what is that given to us on dividing? Means this is being divided by a polynomial g of x. So that means this is the dividend. Dividend is given to us. Then quotient is given to us. Quotient and remainder were. That means this is quotient and this is remainder. So then what we have to find? Find g of x. So we know that P of x is what? Dividend. P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So this we have studied in the division algorithm. P of x is what actually? It is actually dividend. And g of x is what? It's a divisor. And q of x is what? Quotient. And then r of x is what? Remainder. This you know already. So what are the things? We have p of x, we know q of x, that is quotient we know the dividend, we know the remainder. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the divisor, that is g of x. So normally when we want to find out one value and all other values are given, what we do? We keep the value that we have to find out, we keep one side, rest we bring it to the other side. So that we have many times we have done that. So same rule only we have to apply here. So p of x is what? We know p of x is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 equal to g of x we don't know, so we keep it as it is. Now q of x is what? Quotient. Quotient is what? Here, that is x minus 2. Then plus. Remainder is what? Remainder is minus 2x plus 4. So now we have all the values. The value that we have to find out is g of x. So we keep this one side, rest we bring it to the other side. So first let's write down this. That is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Now this is in plus. So now this value when we bring it to this side, so this is in minus. Okay, when it comes to this side, it will become plus. So plus 2x, and this is in plus, it will become minus. So it will now equal to what is left is g of x and then x minus 2. So first let us solve this part of it. So x cube minus 3x square. Now we have 1x here, we have another 2x here. So total they are 3x. Now here plus 2, here minus 4. So we will have minus 2 because the biggest number sign is minus. So minus. So when you subtract, we get 2. So now equal to g of x into x minus 2. So now let's bring this x minus 2 to the other side. So x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. So this is in multiplication. So when it comes this side, it will become division. Then equal to here g of x. So now g of x value we will get it when we divide this. So how to divide this? Polynomial to divide, we have to do the division, long division method. So let's divide this. Write down here, that is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. We have to divide by x minus 2. So let's do the division now. So x cube, let's take the first term, that is x cube. So divide with the first term here, x. So x, one x will get cancelled. We will have x square. So write down that x square here. Now x into x square will give us x cube. Then minus 2 into x square will give us 2x square. So now change the sign. This will become minus, this will become plus. So this gets cancelled. So we have plus 2x square minus 3x square. The biggest number is this. Sign will be minus. So from minus 3x square, if 2x square goes, we will have 1x square. Then bring down the other values. So do the same procedure. We'll take the first term, that is minus x square, divide by the x. So x will get cancelled. We are left with 1 minus x. So write down minus x. So now x into x will give us x square. Here we have minus. Then minus into minus will become plus. 2 into x will give us 2x. Change the sign. This will become plus. This will become minus. So this gets cancelled. So we have plus 3x minus 2x. So we will have biggest number is plus. So we will have plus. From 3x, 2x goes, then we will get 1x. Then this minus 2 will come down. So now again, the divisor here also degree is 1, here also degree 1. So we can divide. So this x will take here and this x gets cancelled. We are left with value 1. So plus 1. So x into 1 will give us x, minus into plus will give us minus, 2 into 1 will give us 2. Change the sign, this will become minus, this will become plus. So this gets cancelled, this also gets cancelled. So remainder is 0. So what is the value we have got now? So when we have divided this, what value we have got, that we have to write down. So this polynomial, so we divided with this. So what value we have got? The value is, this is the value we have got it. So write down g of x. So g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. So this is the value finally we have got for this. So when we have divided, the value we got is this, because the remainder is 0. 0 is not the value. By dividing this, we got the value. So this will be the g of x. So this is our answer. That's it. Thank you and God bless.